Hello everyone, how are you guys? Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a SaaS funnels and a digital product funnel, how you can design funnels for your digital products, increase your sales, increase your growth, and also you can use it for SaaS funnel as well. And also I can give you free of cost these funnels as well for GoHighLevel. Let me dive in video without wasting time, and I will show you this funnel. You can see this is a funnel. We are going to use it for, we are going to design it in GoHighLevel. Here you can see all the sections and all these things. You have very nice checkout page, you have FAQ sections, you have offer section, then here you have another feature sections, and here you have newly invitations things, and it is some amazing and cool stuff. If you are going to make these funnels, it's a super easy. I just simply go back in GoHighLevel. That's a GoHighLevel. I just make it word label. I just simply go to the edit section, and I will show you how you design it or how you can upgrade it according to your rules and according to your business colors, your brand logos and everything. It will take few seconds to load, and yeah, here you can see what I did. I just simply take a black background here and upload an image on background. Here is the background image I have upload. You can see that's the background image I have upload. And after that, what I did, I can just simply go here and add a text, and after that I just simply go here and add another heading, and simply I did another heading, and then I will add a button, and on a button we will increase the font size, increase the button size, and after that I just simply put the text one, and simply I just go here on a backgrounds, and here I can edit these all things again. It's a simple text. There's just timers, and simply just take a button, and these are an image. I just take image in a Canva, and after that I can use here. And similar things like this one, we have just designed this image, this text here, super easy text, and after that here you can see we have some other images, like this is also image. I just take two columns, two sections where we put text, and one side we use image. It's a super easy drag and drop. You can make it and you can change it, customize it according to your rules. Similar I did on this section as well, and here we had just one image, and below the image we have just add these things. That's a lost area where we can get interest of our customer, and here we have how to win section. Here how you can lose, and how if you lose, and how to win. And we have complete section. There is another section, simply just button with backgrounds and some text here, and after that here you can see these simple images and sections here. There is another text area and another image, and we have some sections, and on the section we have border. Similar, we put just one image. Just here we can add some cool text, and here we have just animation things. It's a not animation, it's a GIF file, and we will upload it here. And also here we have some more things and some more customizations, and like in this section we have on a background image that looks like this one. We have designed all these image in Canva. Then we will take another image here with on this image, and similarly we do another image here as well. Same, here is a text, and here we have some other realistic images and all the stuff things, and here we have some amazing images, people's image, and another call to action section, and here is some introduction about the company, your author, your logo, and same here we are repeating all these sections. So it's FAQ section. It's a super easy. You can simply drag and drop and make it, and yeah, that's a super easy. Let me know if you have any help or any things that you want from my side. I will help you. And if you want to buy this or if you want to get it, simply go to funnelflex.io, and you can buy some amazing and cool templates here. Here is a 500 plus templates. It's not costly. Here you see $99, and even you can get it free. You have websites, funnels, and also you have some snapshots and some link in bio sections as well. And if you can go with this video link description box below, and you will buy it and you say I watch your video and I'm going to buy it, I will give you more discount, and also I will give you gift this link in bio as well. And if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com. The also both links in description. You can book your free consultation and you will get lead any GoHighLevel related services, and like automations, chatbot. Here you can see some satisfied client. Thank you so much for watching this video.